Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl SIMONE SHARICE. Today in this video, we are going to be testing this curly hair. Here we're going to be straightening it to see how it looks and to see if it can even be straightened. So I'm only going to be doing this section right here. I'm going to straighten it, possibly hot comb it a little bit just to flatten out the top and do a little unboxing for you guys. So let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Alright guys, so this wig is from MSBUY and I have the deep wave. This is how it looks fresh out of the box. And I just took it out, and the wig actually has these two weird like plastic things on the side. I was told that it pretty much allows for the wig to be more comfortable. When I tried it on, it kind of did help prevent the flaps, but I don't think that's the point of those things. But for me, it came in handy when it came to that. You can probably glue the wig down and avoid it, but I didn't customize it or anything, so don't look up here. I'm gonna try with my hot comb first, and then I'm gonna go on with my flat iron. So I'm gonna go slowly down. I probably need a flat iron for this, pretty sure. But since this is already hot, I wanted to just try this out. Hey, this used to straighten hair back in the day, so this should be working right now. So I went ahead and I started flat ironing the hair. It did have a smell when I was flat ironing the hair, which was a little smelly. But the hair, I'm pretty sure if you put a lot of heat on this hair, it can get bone straight. But I was just testing it out for you guys to see if it could even straighten. It had a slight wave to it, a few crunches in it after I was done. But all I needed to do was, I had to do a couple of passes through this hair in order for it to get like super, like sort of kind of straight. What might make the hair even more straighter is to do the hair in smaller sections. So don't take large chunks to straighten. Literally do like small pieces and run your flat iron through it very like slowly. The frontal on this actually did look kind of good, but you know I'm extra, so I went ahead and I opened it a little bit, and I did put foundation on it towards the end, which I don't usually put a lot of foundation on my hair, but I have been doing that a lot lately. I don't know why. Alright guys, so now that I've flat ironed one side, which looks really good, it still has a few waves in it, but if you put more heat on it, I'm pretty sure it could get even more straighter. But the point is, the hair can straighten, okay? So this side is still the curly side. It's really pretty. I don't know how it will look after it gets wet, so we're gonna go ahead and test this hair and see if it gets back curly on this side, and then we'll find out the true pattern of the hair pattern once it's wet on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my spray bottle and spray my hair off camera. Alright guys, so this is the end result. This is how it looks after you wet it on this side, and the straight side did go back curly. So that's actually really good. So if you are looking for a great curly hair that can straighten, here you go. It did smell when I was flat ironing it, so that's the only thing. So my room kind of smells right now. But the curls went back, so this is how it looks after. It went straight back to its curls. So that's actually really impressive if you're really a person that loves to get the most out of their hair, like straight hair and curly hair. I also didn't go all nuts in customizing the top part, so ignore this area. And yeah, I have all the information for you guys in the description box down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That rhymed. I wasn't even trying. Alright guys, see you guys in my next one. Bye!